Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to Blue Screen. Today we're unboxing one of the things that I got for Christmas, and this is the Keychron K4 V2. So this keyboard is a 96% wireless mechanical keyboard, and I picked this keyboard because I was using a wired keyboard previously, and I wanted something that had basically all of the features that you could want in a keyboard, but was a little bit more compact and was wireless. So this keyboard is a 96%, meaning that it has a number pad. It also has all of the function keys that you could want. It has basically all the stuff, and it's just in a more compact layout. It's my first keyboard ever from Keychron. So we have the white backlight, brown switch. I don't really plan on using the backlight, so I don't care about that too much. So it uses optical Keychron switches. I'm using the Keychron, I believe, brown, Keychron browns. It comes with compatibility for both Mac and Windows. I'm using it on Windows, but Mac is really their claim to fame. That's what they ship by default with. You can pair up to 3 devices. I only plan on using it with one. It has a 4,000 milliamp hour battery. It says 4 weeks of battery use. I don't know how true that is. We'll see. I hope 4 weeks. I hope even longer, honestly. But I'm also not going to get my hopes up. I'm not going to plan for like tons of battery use. And the backlighting effects, I don't really care about that. Elsewhere, there's not a whole lot other than that on it. On the box, you can kind of see the Keychron keyboard. I'm trying to show the camera there. All right, let's open this up. Fitment on this box is insane. So the first thing we're shown is it says if you're using a Windows keyboard, Windows computer, switch out the keys to Windows. On the back, it just has pairing instructions. And then we're greeted with the keyboard right here in a little plastic sleeve. We got some more paperwork right there. Toss that off to the side. And the only thing else in the box is we have a cable, presumably for charging. We have a keycap puller. And we have our extra keys. So this cable, braided cable, USB-C, which is one of the cool things about this keyboard compared to a lot of other stuff, is we're moving in the direction of the future, which is USB-C. So it's cool to see that on this keyboard. Cable seems to be super high quality, but not super long, which I'm not that concerned about because it is a wireless keyboard. I only need to charge it. So funny, because I was just shopping for cables today, actually, that were right-angled. So it's convenient that this came in the mail, or came in the package. Yeah. So we'll set all this stuff aside and let's get to the main event, and that is the keyboard itself. Pull off the plastic sleeve, and you can see the keyboard here. You can see how compact it is. It's very similar to like a 10-lit keyless keyboard layout, but it just actually has the number pad tacked on here. I like a number pad. I use them like all the time, so having this is a big advantage to me. I'm really a big fan of the keyboard's style. I like that it's very simplistic, but it also has just a little bit of difference in the colors. It just kind of makes it stand out a little bit more. So we will do a little bit of a type test here. You're not going to be able to hear it hopefully too much because I'm using a shotgun microphone, but so it's got a little bit of a click to it, but it's not too clicky. And so you can see for the layout here, we have all of our function keys up here on top where the F keys are. Now I believe by default with this keyboard, the function keys do their particular function, and then if you hold down the FN button and then press the keys, then they will do their F function. But by default, they do their media functions, which is what I want, because I really heavily use these media keys on all the keyboards that I've ever owned, and so having them will be a huge advantage here. So far, I like the layout. The body is fairly simple. The only thing really is we've got a couple controls over here on this side. So you can see we've got our USB-C there. We've got, looks like a power switch here. And then here we have a Windows or Mac OS switch to switch depending on which OS you're using. Other than that, that's really the only thing there is on the keyboard. So it must be a pretty straightforward experience. I'm really happy. This feels really good. Only thing that might kill this for me is battery life. And that's just going to have to be a long-term thing that we see. Let's go ahead and change out these keys. And there you can see our Keychron brown switches. And now my computer and my entire office is kind of blue, so I'm going to change out the escape key for actually a gray one, just so that it doesn't clash with the blue. And there we have it. That's my keyboard layout, my new Keychron K4. Really excited about this keyboard. Excited to see how it looks on my desk. And this has been the unboxing, guys. If you like this unboxing, you will see more ones like this one, please like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you think about this keyboard. If you used it or if you're interested, let me know with a comment down below. And subscribe for more stuff like this one, guys, so you can see it in the future. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.